Ever felt like you're wrestling with a bunch of spaghetti when trying to set up a thermal printer? Well, don't fret. We're here to take you on a straightforward journey to get the printer purring smoothly. And here's a little secret. If you stayed with us till the end, we'll even show you where to find and download the printer drivers safely and easily. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's rewind and simplify the process of installing your thermal printer. First, meet your thermal printer. Take a look at its front and back, just like you inspect a new gadget. Now, plug in the power cable securely into an electrical outlet. This provides the juice your printer needs to work. Time to connect the USB cable from your printer to your laptop or computer. This cable helps them talk to each other. Oops! An error message pops up. No worries, we'll sort it out together. If you had an old printer, or if you tried before and you got an error, remove the old printer from your computer on the Windows system. Let me show you how. So let's remove the printer from your computer and make room for the new one. Here's the process. Next, install the necessary drivers using the provided software. If you don't have a software or you don't know where to find it, don't worry, stay till the end and I'll show you where to download it easy and safely. Remember, the driver helps your computer understand your printer. Now let's choose the right USB port and print a test page. If it prints, you're on the right track. Voila! Your printer is now up and running smoothly. But wait, there's more. Test your printer in your point of sale software to ensure it's ready for business. There you have it, a simple journey from confusion to success. You've mastered the art of thermal printer installation, and remember, if you stay with us till the end, I'll even show you where to find and download the printer driver safely and easily. Also, in our next video, we'll guide you through setting up your printer with a cash drawer for even more convenience.